What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. So B.E. Meyers awarded U.S. Army contract for DAGIR V1 lasers. So this is from the firearmblog.com, so all credit to them. B.E. Meyers & Co. continues its long-standing support of U.S. military night fighting capabilities with a significant new contract award. The Redmond, Washington-based company has been selected to deliver thousands of its advanced DAGIR or DAGIR V1 laser systems to the U.S. Army's PM soldier lethality. This order underscores the growing emphasis on enhanced small arms, fire control, and lethality during low-light operations during nighttime, built around advanced VCSEL technology, and the DAGIR series delivers compact, rugged performance that integrates aiming and illumination functions for modern weapon platforms. Now, on June 16th, 2026, in Redmond, Washington, B.E. Meyers & Co. Inc. has been awarded a contract for 8,936, so basically 9,000 DAGIR V1 systems by the U.S. Army's PM Soldier Lethality under the Capability Program Executive Ground Soldier Systems to fulfill the U.S. Army's specific needs in the M7 Surrogate Fire Control Program and the DAGIR series of infrared and visible aiming and illumination laser systems are advanced VCSEL-based systems and are designed for multi-platform applications. This order will be delivered in 2027 through an order via the Defense Logistics Agency, or DLA, Tailored Logistics Support program, also known as the TLS. Now, the DAGIR family of advanced multi-platform laser systems constitutes B.E. Meyers & Co.'s latest generation of photonic solutions for near-infrared illumination, or NIR, and aiming on weapon platforms. The U.S. Army's selection of the DAGIR V1s, following testing, evaluation, and soldier feedback as well, further establishes the DAGIR as the premier advanced multi-platform aiming laser following our deliveries of MAWL X1 systems to the Department of War in previous years. We are honored to continue our support of the U.S. Army with our DAGIR laser systems. These systems, proudly American-made, ensure that our warfighters have multi-function laser technology that supports the clarity, speed, and precision of modern night lethality needs, says Matthew Meyers, the CEO and second-generation owner of B.E. Meyers & Co. So the DAGIR series of lasers represents a major advancement in multi-function aiming and illumination technology, combining a near-infrared illuminator with both NIR and visible aiming lasers in a compact, ruggedized system. Designed through advanced optical engineering, the DAGIR series delivers exceptional illumination quality, ergonomic operation, and a refined form factor. So U.S. SOCOM previously selected the DAGIR V1 under the SAL UHP program, designated the LA30. And the DAGIR V2 features an additional visual laser override button that has also been adopted by US SOCOM under the miniature aiming laser, or ultra high power contract. So the U.S. Army selected the DAGIR V1 is a versatile weapon-mounted NIR visible pointer and NIR illuminator engineered for demanding operational requirements. Its overbore 40 MW IR pointer and dual 350 MW VCSEL-based IR illuminators deliver consistent performance through dense photonic barriers and in high ambient light environments. The laser system's best-in-class human-machine ergonomic interface enables soldiers to adjust beam divergence and output without removing their hand from the weapon. All optical and electronic components are fully sealed within a compact, durable aluminum housing designed to withstand extreme environmental and mission-specific stresses. At the core of the DAGIR V1 is the mini RVA diode system utilizing advanced VCSEL or vertical cavity surface emitting laser technology to achieve exceptional beam precision and clarity. This evolutionary advanced VCSEL core provides sharper beam projection and more defined illumination, improving target identification, situational awareness, and threat assessment across diverse operational environments. So the DAGIR's unique capabilities integrate seamlessly with the U.S. Army's ongoing modernization efforts in visual augmentation systems and next-generation small arms programs. As a U.S. Army veteran-operated company, B.E. Meyers & Co. is proud to support the enhancement of U.S. Army soldiers' night fighting capabilities and remains committed to delivering the best possible advanced photonic systems for the war fighter. The DAGIR V1's combination of NIR illumination, dual aiming lasers, and ergonomic controls offers capabilities tailored to the demands of today's battlefield environments rather than just us regulars in the commercial industry. With delivery scheduled through the Defense Logistic Agency in 2027, next year, the system further solidifies B.E. Meyers as one of the leading providers of night vision gear for the U.S. military. So, yeah, just a little bit of news for you within lasers, and I guess this video helps you become laser pilled, if you will. But, yeah, so just a little bit of U.S. Army contract news. Leave us a comment, type us a comment down below if you have a DAGIR V1 laser, and if you'll ever pick one up. If the U.S. Army gets a contract on them, I'm guessing that they're pretty good, and they do look pretty cool. But thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like. Smashing the thumbs up button really helps me out, pushes my videos to a new audience. Don't forget to subscribe. Most of you aren't, so you're in trouble, and it makes me sad, so make me happy. It takes 1 second. I put a lot of effort into the channel, so it means a lot if you subscribe. Ring the bell, too. That way you don't miss any videos that I post coming up soon. And if you want to stay up to date with everything weapon, war, and history related, and check out the older content on my channel as well. Lots of good videos to binge watch. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.